Hey Algebra 2, the next one I'm going to do is problem number 7. And remember, you can always request other ones that you want me to do. Just make sure you get them to me, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, and I'll put them up as soon as I can. With 4 terms like this one has, I can guess that it's probably factoring by grouping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group this section and this section. Alright, this section can be factored 25. You always want to find the greatest common factor. They're both 25, so the greatest common factor is 25. They both have at least 2 x's in them, so I can take out x squared. And then what's left is, I'm going to do this in another color here, x plus 1. Because if I am dividing out 25x cubed divided by 25x squared, that's x. 25x squared divided by 25x squared, that's 1. And then in this next one, I'm going to factor out a negative 4. And then I'll be left with, again, x plus 1. So I can factor out this x plus 1 from both of the terms because there's an x plus 1 in both. So I factor that out, x plus 1, and then whatever's left over is in the next box, 25x squared minus 4. Now remember, just because you've factored it does not mean that you're done factoring, because oftentimes there's another factor. In this case, that can be factored further because it's a difference of perfect squares. So I keep the x plus 1, and now this one is going to be factored into 5x plus 2 and 5x minus 2. And now there's no more factoring that can be done. So I've found my prime factors, and that's the answer.